This is the quick all you need to know review of this egg yolk separator. As someone who loves cooking and baking, I always love finding new fun kitchen gadgets. And after getting too many eggshells in my bowls when cracking eggs, I thought this was a fun addition to my kitchen. It is such a simple tool. You just simply crack the egg into this bowl. I recommend doing it over some kind of glass or bowl. Then the egg white will simply run through the holes, which leave you a perfect egg yolk in the bowl of this spoon-like thing. Afterwards, you can just put it in the dishwasher and you are good to go. Sometimes the simplest kitchen tools are the best, and I'm actually using this quite often. The stainless steel is pretty thick and durable, which gave me a feeling of high quality and that this is something I will have forever in my kitchen. It is small and convenient and doesn't take up much space in my drawers. It also has this hole on top of it so you can hook it if you want to hang it in your kitchen. Overall, I think this is a great product that more people should know about. It just makes things easier cracking your eggs, and I recommend it.